Hello everybody. Again, this is the Drake. I just downloaded a new version of GIMP. I usually don't for a long time. And I noticed that I don't see all of the tools here. I do not appreciate that. So after researching it, I discovered that all you have to do is go to, what was it, edit? Then there's preferences. Find tools in here somewhere. Toolbox. And then see, use groups. So the way that it is now, you right click over these, and that's how you get to the other ones. It saves space, but I can't see them, and I don't use what I can't see because I forget it's there. So just go ahead and uncheck that. Hit OK. Oh, okay, maybe don't hit OK, because now I have to go back to edit and preferences again. And then looking at this, it's all just, it feels like I'm colorblind. I like the tools. I want the color. I'm going to click on the color twice. And that's how you get all of this back. I don't know. It's just easier for me to see it and say, oh, alright. So when I need this tool, I'm going to look for the little red dot inside of the black and white checkered box. I need a pencil. I'm going to look for a pencil. I'm not going to look for a grayscale pencil. I want a teardrop. I'm going to look for something that looks like a teardrop, not one of those monsters from Monster Quest. And a black and white version of it, even worse. I don't know. It just gives a lot of color to an already dull background. Just makes it that much nicer. Alright, thanks for watching the tutorial. Share it with your friends because I had to go through quite a few things to figure this out. Share it with your friends, like it, subscribe, hit the bell notification, make sure it's on for all notifications so that you don't miss out on anything. I'm just doing some free games right now, and that's when I figured out, oh geez, they completely changed everything. Yeah, I'm not going to be updating again soon. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.